USD. Now it's a new week, and from last week we saw a very massive sell-off. Okay, trading below 135, and if we go down to the lower time frames, traded into 133,750. Okay, now it's currently Tuesday. On Monday, this is how we traded on Monday, which means we could see price making a retrace. Okay, so what I'll do is go from the high of the weekly, boom, to that area where the daily found support. So Java Fibonacci, yep, right here. As you can see, the daily traded above 13750. Now we could retest that region and then push to the upside. Okay, if you look down on the 4 hour time frame, you can see on the 4 hour time frame, structure was broken around here. So we basically have a higher high right now on the 4 hour time frame, which doesn't really mean that the trend has changed. It just means that the daily is having a deeper pullback. That's it. That's it, guys. So what I'm looking out for now is probably price making a higher low on the 4 hour time frame, testing 13750 and then pushing to the upside into 135 or into um the Fibonacci areas that we've drawn on the weekly time frame. So overall, we're still looking to sell, but right now with the way the 4 hour is trading on the daily, we could see a short-term long opportunity into 135. Now the best thing to do now is to wait, okay? Because for me, if price doesn't come into 13750, I will not execute. Okay, I will not execute. That's a rule that I trade by. So the best thing now to do is to wait. We could see the market, but if the market doesn't come down into 13750 and it continues, then fine. I will just wait for the uh for the weekly move to kick in before taking a short to the downside. Because overall, I'm still basically looking to sell this pair because of the way the weekly closed. And confluence areas I'm looking out for will be this zone, like I've said before, this zone, or if price trades above that, the next best area to sell from will be this zone because we have 135,625 there, and we also have 135 and 61.8 Fibonacci at this zone as well. So guys, let's see how this plays out, and I'll chat back with you guys later. Have a good trading day.